guys, welcome to Tuesdays with Neeti. I hope you all are doing really good. And yes, it is cold, and I just had my bath, so I said this is the best time to do it. So also guys, when you put in your questions, this is the next day I shoot it. Okay, so whatever I can answer, बहुत सारे questions हैं और बहुत similar questions भी है. So let's begin this segment, and I'm super excited to answer, and I'm going to be really honest. So let's do this. And also thank you guys for the love that you gave me, for all the mistakes that I've done in my life, and also I'm very hyper. ये मैं भूल गई थी बोलना. So just telling you. Okay, so let's start Tuesdays with Neeti. Okay, so चलिए let's start the segment Tuesdays with Neeti. So I'm gonna try and read out everything. Okay, questions. Okay, so let's start with the first question. How difficult was it to adapt army life as a civilian? So, of course guys, it's very difficult because firstly though, because of COVID times, national security hai, so when I shifted there, everything was again locked down for me. And but the best part was everything was inside the cantonment. Sab tha. So that was really nice, but so we had to quarantine for 21 days. So in that guest house, we had a new house that we were getting, and Parikshit had told me from here कि हम सब उधर ही करेंगे, you know, तो textiles भी अच्छा मिलता है, curtains भी मिल जाएंगे, ये वो बहुत ऐसे चीजें he said. बर्तन भी लेना था ना, he said नहीं we'll get it from there, everything. I'm telling you, I have bought, because we were not allowed to go out. I bought everything from Amazon, Myntra for my house. Even, you know, the karchi was bought from Amazon. So my karchi se lekar my bedsheet I carried few, but more things, everything was bought online. My house was on Amazon, and even at the gate people were like, अच्छा बाबा साहब का आया होगा parcel, because I'm telling you, more than 1,000 parcels you must have, because everything we bought from Amazon or Myntra. मतलब Amazon more, Myntra second. Not promoting any brand, but yeah. So we made a house, and I told her, I was like, I'm never listening to you again, because we didn't know it's going to be this crazy, but not allowed to go out and all. But it's very different. Civilian life is way different, and army life is very different. Okay, so another question. I have a question that is, as a teenager girl, how to say no to someone. If I do no to someone, I feel guilty. Tuesdays with Neeti. Okay, so don't worry, I am also sailing on the same boat. I feel very bad to say no. कि मतलब how do I say no and कैसे मना करूँ मैं? It's just something that नहीं होता मुझसे. Like to say no is like the worst thing I have, the habit I have. But you need to start saying no, because this is how people take you for advantage. And people take advantage of you ऐसे ही. When you don't say no, they're like हाँ ये तो कर लेगी तो ना ही नहीं बोलेगी, because people know ना, they interact with you, so they know how you are. So this is what happens. So you have to make sure that you need to say no, because there's a line that you have to draw. Okay, now Satakshi, if I'm bad with pronunciation, please don't mind me. Okay, so Tuesdays with Neeti, you might have gone through so many challenges in life. Do you anytime think of giving up, be it personally or professionally? Okay, so she's asked me like 3-4 questions, so let me just answer a few of them. So of course everyone goes through challenges. It's how you handle yourself and the situation at that time. Everyone feels like giving up. I am no different. Everyone feels like giving up, and sometimes you just give up also because you do not know what's going to happen. But it's fine, it's your decision, and whatever happens, I think it happens for a reason in life. Kuch bhi hota hai, it happens for a reason. And personally, I keep telling myself ki no, if one door is shut, there is another door. Any situation that comes, I think I'm always like, ye hua hai, it's because something good is going to happen out of this. All of that. So I think of it a lot, but I always tell myself, ये कुछ बुरा हुआ है ना तो मतलब कुछ अच्छा होने के लिए होता है. Even professionally, I say the same thing. If this show is gone, then there is something better for me. Always I say that. You and Parikshit belong to complete different profession. What is your take on it? How do you both support each other on it? He's a very chill husband. I love the fact that he's so cool about everything, and we both, like, मेरे को नहीं पता था इतना आर्मी के बारे में. Though my grandfather was a Major General, I had no idea about the army life. I did not have, actually, to be very honest. But when I saw, and now when I see so many things, and I'm like, my God, you go through this, you go through that. I'm always like, hey, I'm always praying for his safety because it's crazy, and I'm always praying that he should be healthy, he should be safe. It's कहाँ चले जाते क्या क्या करते रहते मतलब it's insane, and I'm always like. And with him, he always told me, even when we got married, he's like, if you want to be in Bombay, I am supporting you. Don't have to come and stay with me. It's fine. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि you have to, or just because शादी हुई है, so you have to come. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. He's been a very supportive husband, and he's like, do whatever you feel like doing. And also my videos mostly it's always him, and keeps giving me all taglines and ideas about what you can do, what is the new things. Like he told me about Tuesdays with Neeti, like you can do this with your fans to interact and get close. So he's love. Okay, how do I celebrate success? Again, I love celebrating everything. If I've got a show, I'll go for dinner, or let's celebrate it, or just with my friends or family, whoever's there. But always just with one person or two people, like my closest people. Whoever knows me knows that I love celebrating chota cheez. Acha, tu pass hui, let's go. I'm like that. Okay, so Priyanka has asked me, what made me fall for Parikshit? When did you realize he's the one? Tuesday with Neeti. Okay. What made me fall and what made me? Okay. So many things. I don't know. It's just the person he is, and he is just such an amazing soul. Like he's so positive. He is always doing things for everyone else. Like I always have to tell him, ki, listen, you don't do. Now you talk for yourself. What do you want? Like he'll shop for all of us, and I say, what did you shop for yourself? He's like, nothing. मैं अपने लिए क्या खरीदूँ? मैंने आप लोगों के लिए खरीद लिया. So that's enough for me. You guys are happy. So he's that kind of person. Like I always thought कि as a person मैं बड़ी अच्छी मेरे को हमेशा से लगा था, and I always feel like I need to meet someone who's just like me, and he is better than me, and it's crazy to see someone like that. It's amazing, and he's beautiful soul. And what made me, मतलब मैं तो पहले से ही मेरे को पता नहीं. I'll tell you guys. So when I first saw the picture, because I knew him बचपन से, so I don't know how, but when I saw him in GE and everyone said, Neeti, he's the man, he's so handsome, he's so this, he's so that. I spoke to him, and I have never met a guy being so gentle and so thoughtful and so chivalrous. I think that is the word. Oh, he's the one who asked me. He's like, first time a guy has asked, otherwise messages pe hote hain, leaving my boyfriend, girlfriend. So can I take you out for a date? I have never been asked for a date. He was the first one to ask me for, and he literally asked me like, will you be my girlfriend? And I was like, oh my God, ये होता है. And he's the one who writes me letters and all. So we're like very old-fashioned romantic people, and I love it. A lot of questions about him though. Okay. So Surbhi. So my question will be, if you had a chance to get married again with all your friends and family, as you had a COVID wedding, what kind of wedding would you like to have? Okay, so I always wanted a chotu wedding with my friends and family, but not like वो reception में सबको बुलाना पड़ता है ना, अपने dad के friends जो भी होते हैं सबको बुलाना पड़ता है. I never wanted that. Even when we were planning our wedding, I always wanted, but we have to have like a reception where daddy and mummy's friends are all called, and you're on the stage being like, ये कौन है? अच्छा ये है? अच्छा, oh, even I don't know, mummy, who's this? Who's that? That was going to happen, but COVID wedding happened without our sisters. But he got chutti for some time. We decided within 5-6 days to get married. It was beautiful, but yes, I do still plan whenever, because both the sisters can't fly together. Like my sister just came and she's gone, but over there my sister-in-law stays in Korea, so for her to fly, abhi tak flights khuli nahi hai. So let's see. I think it's gonna happen next year, because even my relatives from USA have to come. Now if I'm doing it once again, it has to be done properly. So USA kabhi, after they all want to get the vaccine and come, no one wants to take the risk, and I will not ask anyone to take the risk. So yeah. Got the answer? So Neha, since you are a huge role model to me, so many other young girls, how does it feel knowing that you have such a big impact on so many people's lives? It feels good, and also I feel blessed that you guys can connect to me, because I am me and I'm very real and I'm just like you guys. So that's what makes me so lovable and connecting to you guys. Yeah. And what's important thing a person that what's the most important thing in a person that impresses you? I think just being yourself. When you pretend वो मजा आता है, but just being you, simply how you are, I think that is the best thing that I like. I don't like pretentious, I don't like people acting and all of that. Okay, Priyanshi, how things changed after and before marriage in your relationship with Jeej? Okay, firstly, he hates being called Jeej. I'm just he's like, why are they calling me Jeej? So what are the things changed after and before? He's very caring. He's super caring. Like, I thought I am the one who's very caring. He oversteps and overparts me in caring. But after we got married, I always told him, I was like, you started being very protective of me and very caring, like extra caring. Like, उसको बोलूँ ना, what happened? पूरा आसमान वो कर दे. He's cute. But इतना कुछ ऐसा change नहीं है. He is the one. He's just become very extra protective, and oh yes, now he wants to do everything. Before I used to be like, no, I will do it, I will do this, I will do that. Now he wants to do everything for me. So that has changed. पहले मैं allow नहीं करती. Now he uses the card, I'm husband now, so allow me and I will do it. चल ठीक है. Okay. So Komal has asked me, at what time do you wake up, and are you a morning person or a late night? Tuesdays with Neeti. Okay, so I am a morning person, and now because it's winters here and it's very cold, I wake up by 9 o'clock. So Sanjita has asked me the other question. My questions are, who's your crush in Bollywood? In TV, okay, Shahid Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, and TV में ऐसा कोई है नहीं, मैं तो TV नहीं देखती. TV में I am my own crush. बहुत ही cute हूँ. Your female TV inspiration, I think Jennifer, and even Sakshi. How did you manage your studies along with your acting career? So if many of you know that I did Bade, and after that बहुत gap था, and then I did कैसी यारियाँ. So that's because I was studying. My mother always said, graduation खत्म करना है तुम्हें बेटा. And I remember when I used to bunk school, I used to go and shoots होते थे वो. When I was doing those bad मतलब bad नहीं, when I was doing those serials, प्यार का बंधन and all. So then my teachers were very Neeti. Where is she? Why is she not there? Is she again dancing? Because I used to do shaman clothes also. मेरी psychology teacher बोलती थी, psychology नहीं psychology. Okay, Bra Siso. Okay, ask me. I also wanted to ask you, are you an extrovert or an introvert? Especially meeting new people, because I face a lot of problems to interact with new people. How do you manage to sink in the situation? Okay, I'm actually not an extrovert, and a lot of people think, but because my thinking is that I should make the other person feel comfortable. So I remember when I went to meet someone, I meet a lot of people abhi na, so people should make me feel comfortable, but it's the opposite way. I make them feel comfortable, so I become the extrovert. But ठीक है. But वैसे if you see, abhi recently I had to meet Parikshit's friends, so I only knew two of them, and I didn't know the girls. So but मैं बहुत excited थी, and I don't know, I'm very excited to meet new people. Initially I am a little hesitant. I don't like to go to a party where all new people are there and I'm like, okay, I don't know anyone types. I don't like that. But yes, if I know few people, I just break the ice. I'm an icebreaker. And because I always at the end of the day think, I need to feel comfortable, so I better वो नहीं कर रहा तो मैं ही कर लेती हूँ. मैं ऐसी हूँ. So you don't need to have a problem. If you want to be comfortable, for your comfortable thing, you need to break the ice and just start talking. It's okay. And I'm telling you, at the end of the day, that I get, it's like, hey, kitty cute, and you're like, oh, she's so friendly, oh, she's so nice. So what else do you want? Okay, so how was it shifting to a new city altogether, Priyanshi? It was good, but I don't like Ahmedabad too much. जितना भी इंटरेक्शन मेरा हुआ है लोगों के साथ, मेरे को ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा बिकॉज पता नहीं इतना भी I don't like the city too much. Like I don't know lots of places where to get curtains. Literally I got my curtains from Delhi. My माँ एंड पापा, मैंने उनको बोला प्लीज लाजपत नगर चले जाना, कोविड टाइम में उनको लाजपत नगर भेज रही थी एंड दे वर क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स एंड सेंडिंग एंड दैट्स हाउ वी ऑर्डर्ड आवर कर्टेन्स. सो जस्ट इमेजिन दिस इज ऑल वी हैव डन. Okay, so getting back to Sheena. Sorry, it's a very good question. She's messaged me too many. How you dealt with people coming and leaving from your life? Yeah, like most of us, some people were good, some people were bad. So the ones that have gone, वो तब moment में समझ नहीं आता कि were they toxic for you or were they good for you. But when they leave, you realize कि thank God they've left and thank God this happened, ताकि अभी समझ आए और ज़्यादा late ना हो. My life, if you guys have been with me, I've had a lot of friends who have come and gone, and the ones that have gone, I'm thankful that I'm not friends with them anymore because they were such bad people. I can't even tell you. Okay. So Jyotika, yeah. Okay, my question is, how is your relationship with your sister-in-law? It's great, yeah, and it's amazing. I love her. Okay. So Saloni, okay, a lot of you guys have asked me this question. When am I going back to Mumbai? Feb tak I want to stay here. Let's see. Then if Bombay calls me, I will surely go. Okay. So Kanika, you asked me what is your favorite childhood school moment. I hated school, so if you didn't know that, that's it. Okay. How should we know that no, he or she is not a person to trust? Tell me from your experience, please, Nidhi. See, at the moment, sometimes you don't understand because the friendship is so strong or whatever, the relationship is so strong, आपको समझ नहीं आता. It's not then in the moment you will understand कि ये trustworthy है कि नहीं है. It's in the end, जब धोखा मिलता है तब समझ आता है कि shit, he is not trustworthy. But always I say choose your friends wisely. आपको वो intuition आ जाता है कि you know, just one instant example and you know things just change. So वो समझ ही आ जाता है कि you should trust or not. And don't trust any new person. First get to know them, get a little friendly. Even after being very good friends ना, people जो backstab करते हैं ना, वो तो मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं.
पहली फुर्सत में निकल.
So I don't know. You cannot know when not to trust people. I think that's the answer. Okay. Okay, Galta, how do you learn to be strong and independent while staying in Mumbai? Okay, so it's the other way, independent and strong. So when you're staying in Bombay, when you don't have anyone with you, like your parents and all, तो आप independent खुद ही बन जाते हैं. And strong इसलिए because you go through so many hardships, so many things happen to you day to day life that makes you stronger. So these are the learning experiences that you have that make you very, very strong. So yeah. Okay, so a lot of you want videos with Parikshit. Yes, I'm not meeting him till till few months, so I'm sorry to break your bubble, but it'll take few months, after 3-4 months. Okay, so a lot of you are asking me about, I'm just scrolling, okay guys, sorry. So a lot of you have asked me about Blackwoods. So Blackwoods was supposed to start, now I'm going to tell you a secret. Now Blackwoods was supposed to start and I had got dengue, so I could not like it was supposed to start shooting and मैं कर नहीं पाई. वो उस टाइम shoot होने वाला था. Within a week I was supposed to go to Bombay, but because I got dengue and the doctor told me that your immune system is really, really weak, so right now at least for a month just rest it out, because that was also initial stage of dengue, so it was very scary for me and Parikshit was terrified. Also, I'll tell you the story. So I got dengue, so he was supposed to go wherever he was supposed to go, and I was supposed to go for shooting. Now I got dengue, so now he had to go back. I was all by myself. So then I thought, let me come to Delhi. So then I came over here. Suddenly when I came to Delhi with family and all, मैं तो जैसे ठीक हुई ना, मतलब it's crazy. So that's why I keep saying that I am not that well. So because I was very sick, I couldn't. So I said I can't do Blackwoods. So yeah, I'm not doing it anymore. But wishing all of the team very, very successful show. Like I hope it does really well. And yes, it's sad. It's like I waited for a year to do that, and then this is what happened. That's why I was like, whatever happens, happens for a reason. So it's cool. But I just feel very bad कि literally when I got Blackwoods, it was before my engagement. I remember I lost out on so many shows because of that, and then I was stuck with Blackwoods. Any college was like, "नहीं मैं Blackwoods कर रही हूँ, Blackwoods कर रही हूँ." It took a year, and then when finally we were supposed to start, finally I got sick. So. Aww. But I'm positive about it. I don't let anything break me. Okay. Sorry, okay, it's very cold here, so I'm just. Okay, Ipshita, what are your personal experiences and assumptions about different zodiac signs based on people you've met? I do thoda believe, but Virgos are the ones. मेरे सारे जो people who I've had a clash with are all Virgos. Yes. Which couple do I admire the most? So I really like Anushka and Virat. If you're asking about the Ritika, if you're asking essay, I really like them because they're so private and it's not out there. I love it. And even Priyanka and Jonas, I love them. They're cute. Okay, Shreya has asked me what is your favorite pizza topping? Cheese, normal. Not olives, I don't like olives. There are so many questions. I hope you guys are not getting bored, okay? What do you do when you feel low and you don't feel like doing anything? How do you uplift your mood and gain back the confidence? I do feel sad for some time. For some time, I cry out, like I cried out. Okay, and then I tell myself, this is it, Neeti, you have to pick yourself up and this is not the end of the world. There is something that is coming your way, so that's how I am. Surprises you have given Jeej and he has given you. He has given me the most surprises. I remember once he came to Bombay and now girls staying alone in Bombay. मैं आप में एकदम शॉर्ट से और एक लॉन्ग टी शर्ट में मेरे को कतई नहीं पता था बंदा आने वाला है. He just came and I shut the door and I quickly changed and he's like, why are you shutting the door? But I wanted to tell him, listen, I want to change. I'm not wearing appropriate clothes. Yeah, but it is fun. He only gives me all the surprises. He'll shop for me and send it to me here. And he does all these cute things. I don't have the opportunity to do cute things because I can't send half the things there. But I think one surprise I did for him is, so he wanted his bar to be very nicely decorated. So I bought him all the glasses possible, and the glasses that we have in our bars are like, and he was just amazed, like wow. And his birthday gift also. So yeah, Papa's birthday. Oh, yes. What is your favorite movie to watch with your sister? Please don't ask me movie. Our favorite thing when I came to Delhi, we used to watch Big Boss every single day. And now she's left. And now I am sitting and watching Big Boss because she put it in me. And I'm like, shit. I didn't want to watch Big Boss this season. How does it feel being married? It feels awesome. But I feel कि long distance ही हमारा relationship है. Because he's always so far. What is something you like doing these days? That I will tell you very soon. I will answer that in few days. In a month. Okay. What's the weirdest combination of food that you ever tried? If you watched Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, I literally had to eat all of that. So, Maggie with chole and Maggie with I don't know what all, I have eaten all of that. So, that's the weirdest. What are my favorite lipsticks shades? All nudes. Okay, Runway by MAC is my new favorite. I love it. So guys, a lot of you are asking me, do something with Parth, projects and all. अरे मेरे बस में थोड़ी ना, मैं कहाँ से करूँ? आप जो बना रहे गाने वाने जो भी आप चाहते हैं मैं करूँ, उनको बोलो ना. मैं थोड़ी ना, मैं प्रोड्यूसर नहीं हूँ, ना राइटर हूँ, ना कुछ हूँ. मैं एक्टर हूँ. मेरे को अगर बोलेंगे करने के लिए मैं कर लूँगी. और क्या? Oh, okay. I really want to get this. Okay, so as he posted a story about naming few dogs, if you adopted any, can we get a picture of it? I've not adopted anyone till now, but also a page on Instagram has written such bad things about me. You should save. You should set an example about adoption. Get an indie dog. I don't mind and I don't differentiate between dogs. I do not differentiate. But मेरे को एक छोटा चाहिए because I will have to take care of it the like most times, and I can't handle big dogs. If they get a little aggressive, नहीं होता मुझसे because my Parikshit has a boxer. If I have to take him for a walk, I can't take him. Because they get. And कोई भी कुत्ते देख के भागते तो फिर I also have to go. I can't do that. Now I need a little one because I know how I am and I have to handle it, take care of it most of the times. So it's very easy for people to write anything. Firstly, you don't even know me. I have no problems with indie dogs. I have no problems. But I know कि I will not be able to handle a big dog. For me, I want a small dog. मेरे को पूछ तो लो मेरे को क्या चाहिए, कुछ भी लिख देते हो. मतलब sometimes it's so annoying. Like ask me what I want and then go ahead and say anything that you want to say. I want a small dog because I can handle it. That's why. Okay, do you think you're living your best life right now? Please share some most. Yeah, no, I'm not living the best life. I'm away from my husband. I am changing houses like anything. Now I'm going to be staying with my in-laws also, so I'm excited about that also. They're shifting into a new house, that's why I've not been able to go there. Because shifting ho rahi hai, so once they settle down, then I'll be going there. But I am just shifting. I want to be in one place where I'm settled and I have my husband with me because I miss him. I miss him so much. It's insane. Okay, so someone's asked me. This is like a rapid fire. I think one word wala. Pata nahi. Tuesdays with Neeti. Okay. Shambhavi. Winter, summer. Summers. Heels or flats, flats. Holi or Diwali, Holi. Text or call. I'm a voice note person. Text wali. Pasta or pizza. Pasta for me, pizza for my husband. Mumbai or Gurgaon. Right now, wherever. Right now, Parikshit. Wherever he is. But I'm far. Okay. Are you interested in vlogs anytime soon? Yes, I'm doing a vlog very, very soon. Ho gaya mera. What is your go-to outfit? Caroline and Matthew. My go-to outfit is pajama and top, like you can see. Will you come to Dubai? No. Hi, if Ananya is getting married there, for sure I'll come. So I think this is it because there are so many questions. But guys, just know that when I do the Tuesday ka thing, usme 1 hour I'm giving you, ask me whatever questions because there's so many and most of them are the same type of questions. So I hope I've answered many of your questions and सबके जवाब answer same ही हैं, different questions हैं. So yeah, okay. I think there are too many. So I hope this episode you really like. You know what you have to do. You have to subscribe and like and share it with other people so I get more subscribers. And I hope you like Tuesdays with Neeti. And lots of love to you all. And we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.